Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning! This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute motivation. Bring you another quote to help try and kick start your day. And here are those words of wisdom. Life just gets so much better when you stop taking things so personally. Human nature has it set that we have to care what others think of us, like their opinions have any relevance. But why should it? And why should it be this way at all? There is a great freedom to ourselves that when we don't care about what other people say or think about us, you can go and do what you really want to do with no fear of the repercussions. Be you. Do what you want to do and do not care what others say about you.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.